Hello, my name is Kate Buxell, and I'm the founder of the Compass College Consulting. So, what exactly does that mean? Well, that means that I am here as your friend to guide you through the process of applying to college, actually being in college, and most importantly, how do you actually get through college debt free? And so, one component of this is something that you can start way before you're actually even applying to college, and that is the PSAT. So I know a lot of us, at least in the United States, have heard of the SAT, the ACT, the GRE, the LSAT, the MCAT, all of the different random standardized tests with huge acronyms that none of us have any idea what they even stand for. Well, the SAT and the ACT are typically the two standardized tests that you would take in high school that are used by colleges to assess your readiness for college level courses. And so the PSAT stands for Preliminary SAT. So the PSAT, it's still administered by College Board, which is the same organization that administers the SAT. And so it really just serves as preparation for the SAT. So with most standardized tests, it's not even necessarily about how smart you are, it's just about how well can you take the test. And really the key strategy with every exam that I just listed is knowing how are the questions structured and then just practicing them over and over. So the PSAT actually gives an opportunity for students to practice the SAT before taking the real thing during their junior year of high school. And so how it works is that usually the PSAT it's administered by schools themselves in October of a student's sophomore year of high school. And so when you're taking it that time, it is purely just so that you get to practice. However, once you get to your junior year of high school, that's when things really get serious. And for the first time in your entire lives, you can actually start to make money off of taking a standardized test. So, how it works is you would actually have to schedule taking this exam outside of school. So, most of the time, it'll still go through your school, but this has to be something separate that you do on your own. So, what you're going to do is log into your College Board account, go over to the PSAT page, and then register for your exam. You will have to go to a testing center, and that'll most likely be your school. And this will probably be in fall of your junior year. Anyway, then you just take it one more time, and then voila, you wait 4 to 6 weeks, you get those scores back. And for 99% of people, it will mean nothing. But for 1% of people, you have probably just earned yourself some money. And so, if you score in the top 1% of PSAT test takers in your state, then you are called a National Merit Semifinalist. So then after you've been named as a semifinalist, of course, that doesn't mean you're an actual finalist yet, nor does it mean that you have won it yet. So there are a couple more stages. So the next stage is becoming a finalist. So whenever you are named as a semifinalist by qualifying with your test taking skills, then you complete an application process. So you would write some essays, have some letters of recommendation, and then they're really trying to look for who are the best students in the entire United States. And so those people will be selected as a finalist. And then when you are a finalist, that means that you are now eligible for a bunch of different scholarships. So, a lot of companies, if you are a national merit finalist, that means that they'll offer you scholarships if your parents are employees there. A lot of colleges will offer huge awards if you are a national merit scholar or finalist. And then even national merit scholarships, that goes through another round of competition, but then they award $2,500. So none of it is actually going to be enough for you to pay for all of college. However, it is just an extra little boost. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and stick around for more videos in the future.